The year is 2025. A leading investment firm struggling to navigate a volatile market implements a neural financial system. This revolutionary technology processes information like the human brain, identifying patterns and anticipating trends with uncanny accuracy. The firm develops a new kind of financial intuition, sensing opportunities and risks long before others. Neural financial systems are evolving entities capable of learning and adapting, mirroring our cognitive abilities. The firm's success story becomes an industry legend, showcasing the transformative potential of these systems. This is not just about making more money, it's about understanding the fundamental forces driving the global economy. The implications touch every aspect of our financial lives, from personal investments to business strategies. The future of finance has arrived, and it's more intelligent than we ever imagined. Welcome to the era of neural financial systems. At the heart of neural financial systems lies financial neural architecture. This concept parallels the interconnected neurons in our brains with the web of financial entities in the global market. Imagine a network of financial nodes, banks, hedge funds, cryptocurrency exchanges communicating and influencing each other. In 2025, a leading bank implemented a synaptic financial network, processing vast amounts of data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The bank achieved an 89% accuracy rate in predicting market movements, gaining a competitive edge. This success highlights the power of emulating nature's design in finance. By understanding biological information flow, we create more intelligent, responsive, and resilient financial systems. This is about fundamentally changing our interaction with the financial world. Quantum financial consciousness represents the next leap in neural financial systems. Integrating quantum mechanics principles, we push financial intelligence beyond classical computing limits. Imagine a system processing information in a superposition of states, exploring countless possibilities simultaneously. A fintech company developed a system achieving perfect financial awareness, analyzing vast data sets and identifying trends long before traditional indicators. The implications are profound, revolutionizing risk management, portfolio optimization, fraud detection, and high-frequency trading. By peering into the quantum realm, we unlock a deeper understanding of financial markets. This is not just about better predictions, it's about changing our perception and interaction with finance. Welcome to the quantum leap in financial intelligence. Financial markets are in constant flux, driven by countless variables and unpredictable events. Neural financial systems must adapt and evolve in real time, like living organisms. A hedge fund implemented a biodigital adaptation engine inspired by natural selection into their trading algorithms. The results were astounding. A 312% improvement in portfolio performance and an 89% increase in risk management accuracy. Biodigital financial adaptation is about anticipating change, not just reacting to it. By incorporating evolutionary principles, we create intelligent algorithms that thrive in uncertainty. This unlocks the full potential of neural financial systems. Welcome to the future of adaptive finance. Imagine financial markets as a vast interconnected cosmos, with each entity as a celestial body. Financial field theory views the market as a unified field of interconnected forces. A leading forex firm developed a system mapping these financial fields with precision, identifying patterns invisible to traditional tools. This allowed them to anticipate market shifts and capitalize on unseen opportunities. The results were transformative: a 456% improvement in trading accuracy and a 234% surge in risk-adjusted returns. Understanding the underlying forces driving market dynamics leads to more informed decisions. This is the power of financial field theory. Welcome to a new understanding of market interconnectedness. Predicting the future has always been finance's holy grail. Neural market synthesis leverages AI to create synthetic representations of financial markets. An investment bank developed a system simulating a wide range of market scenarios, from subtle shifts to black swan events. This allowed them to test strategies and optimize portfolios for resilience and growth. The system achieved a 94% accuracy rate in predicting market responses to unprecedented events. By simulating the future, they navigated uncertainty with confidence. This is the power of neural market synthesis. Welcome to a future where we shape finance. Imagine a financial system with human-like intuition, perceiving market nuances. Financial consciousness evolution is the next step in neural financial systems. An insurance company implemented a system predicting future trends and emerging risks with remarkable accuracy. This predictive risk consciousness allowed proactive policy adjustments. Financial consciousness evolution is about understanding the interconnectedness of the financial world. It's about moving beyond traditional tools to a more intuitive approach. This is the future of finance, where technology and human intuition converge. Welcome to Market Sentience. Financial markets are chaotic with sudden shifts and unpredictable swings. Neural financial systems must harness this chaos, turning volatility into opportunity. A wealth management firm developed a system managing financial entropy, anticipating volatility and adjusting strategies. This protected clients' wealth and capitalized on market fluctuations. During extreme turbulence, the system improved portfolio stability by 345%. Embracing market chaos leads to strategic advantage. This is the power of financial entropy management. Welcome to Mastering Financial Chaos. The true power of neural financial systems lies in their harmonious integration. Combining principles like financial neural architecture and quantum financial consciousness creates unified financial intelligence. A global firm in 2025 embraced these principles, achieving unparalleled market awareness. Their systems created a dynamic, self-learning financial ecosystem. The results were transformative: a 700% improvement in risk-adjusted returns. This is the promise of unified financial intelligence, a future where technology and human ingenuity unlock unprecedented financial understanding. Welcome to the dawn of unified financial intelligence. The emergence of neural financial systems marks a turning point in finance. It's a call to action to embrace these principles and shape a future where finance empowers progress. Imagine a world where small investors access sophisticated tools, entrepreneurs secure funding easily, and businesses drive innovation. This is the potential of neural financial systems: democratize, demystified, and humanized finance. By embracing these principles, we create a more equitable, sustainable financial future. The journey begins with a willingness to explore and experiment. The future of finance is in our hands. Let's build it together.